We drop at 0300 localized. The objective is this compound. We secure this sector by dawn, no exceptions. We have confirmed enemy presence in the red zone. Expect heavy resistance on the ground.
Understood, sir. We're ready.
Move it, move it! Get that gear loaded! All jumpers, report to the chocks! Check your main straps. Straps checked, airborne. Manifest confirmed, move to the ramp.
All right, gentlemen, this is it. Precision and teamwork are paramount. We execute the plan exactly as briefed.
This is a high-risk operation. Precision is paramount. Now look here. If we flank through the intersection, we bypass their forward defenses.
This is the ingress route. Pay close attention to the stabilization mechanisms here.
What about the wind factor at that altitude?
We've accounted for it, but stay alert.
This section highlights the structural weaknesses we identified.
Sir, will the retrofits be completed before deployment?
That's affirmative. They are already integrated into these diagrams.
Reviewing the schematics for the wing structure, specifically the stress points around the landing gear integration.
Sir, has the load capacity been recertified for the new payload?
We'll use the rear fuselage access here.
Confirmed. Watch the starboard side hydraulics. This is the ingress point for the cockpit breaching team.
Thermal scanners show minimal resistance here. All right, let's review the approach vector one more time.
This section of the engine schematic shows a potential access point.
Confirmed. The fuselage plating here is thinner than anticipated.
All right, briefing complete. Move to the casing.
Jensen, get the power tools ready.
Watch the conduits on the far side.
This diagnostic shows a fault in sector gamma. We need to isolate that wiring harness.
Use the pneumatic wrench, but watch the pressure sensor.
Check the tolerances on the turbine blades.
We need to log this discrepancy immediately.
Pass me the torque wrench.
Move to the secondary fuel injectors.
Torque specs are pulled up on the tablet.
Roger that. Proceeding with extraction.
Log significant stress fractures on turbine blade 7. Reading confirmed. Initiating protocol for extraction.
Secure the primary conduit connector. It's locked in place. Confirming sequence on the tablet. Connection verified on my end.
Warning lights are active, sequence initiated, data flow looks good.
Stand down, test complete. Green status confirmed.
Applying power to the primary bus. Confirm readings on your end.
Readings stable. System reports ready state.
Harness connection secure on Juliet 2.
Confirming continuity across the primary conduit. Readings are green. Firing sequence checks complete. All systems report green. Copy that.
Confirming operational status. Proceed with securing the cables.
Check the connection on line 4.
Verified. Getting a consistent signal now.
All right, initiating the firing sequence diagnostic.
Continuity check on line 3.
Reading nominal.
Firing sequence engaged.
Meter reading at nominal.
Confirming continuity on circuit 4B.
Stand by for firing sequence test initiation.
Check the continuity on the primary firing circuit.
Readings are stable. 0 anomalies detected. Diagnostic check is green. Ready for the next phase. Copy that. Moving to the warhead inspection protocol. Verify continuity on the primary firing circuit. Continuity confirmed. Sending the firing sequence initialization signal. Initialization signal received. All systems show green.
The firing sequence metrics are stabilizing. Look at the delta on the primary circuit.
Copy that. Systems are showing green across the board. Firing sequence data confirms primary power flow. Roger that. Checking the conduit connections now. Make sure they're locked down tight.
Initiate launch sequence diagnostic protocol.
Protocol engaged. All systems reading nominal. All right, men, confirm the uplink sequence on screen 3. Ensure the frequency lock is stable before initiating the transmission protocol.
Double check the connections on the transceiver unit.
Connections verified secure, Sergeant.
Power levels stabilizing on sector 3.
Navigation system alignment is green.
Copy that. Initiating calibration sequence now. Stand by for telemetry confirmation.
Module secured. Reconnecting the harnesses now.
Confirmed. Initiating diagnostic scan. Power levels are nominal.
Ensure the sensor modules are seated correctly.
Confirmed. Diagnostics running now.
The schematic shows this connection is faulty.
Confirmed. Removing the old module now.
Ready with the replacement? Module integrity check complete. Secure the transport case. We're on the move. Loading bay 2. Move it. Clear the ramp. Bring the next load up now. Affirmative. Moving up. Watch your footing. Keep it moving. Load secure. Moving to aircraft 3. Secure the straps. Verify lockdown on the left side. Left side locked. Moving to the right. All green. Send the next one up. Secure that pallet. Move it to bay 3. Copy that. Moving now. Move. Get that secured now. Straps are good. Rolling to the ramp. Chalk 1. Clear to load. Check straps on the left. Straps checked. Ready to roll. All clear. Move it forward. Verify the straps on pallet 3. Confirm secure. Seals checked and load. Final checks on the equipment. All clear. Move to the aircraft. Go. Final check complete. Stand by for ramp cycle. Everyone accounted for? Yes, crew chief. Final inspection complete. Stand by for green light. Airborne. Hook up, private. Check your lines. Green light, go. Check your equipment. Static line secure. Secured, jump master. Ready for deployment. Inspectors, airborne. Check your harnesses. Airborne. Whew. Let's move. Pick it up. Go. Move. Get up that ladder. Go, second squad. Gear check complete. Harness secure.
Confirmed. Navigation check.
All green. Moving to objective. Harness secured. Pin checked.
Primary chute confirmed. Stand by for secondary.
Static line routed clear.
Drogue secured. Pin checked.
Main canopy closed and locked. Ready for transport. Calibrate the autopilot sequence. Sequence initiated. Reading stabilization protocols. Calibration sequence initiated on Unit 4.
Confirmed. Diagnostics showing green status.
As you can see on the model, this strategy highlights the importance of precision in high-risk environments.
As you can see on the model, the initial deployment strategy relied heavily on rapid mobility. This piece here represents the armored division they neutralized.
Their tactics here prioritize speed over heavy armor, a high-risk approach.
It underscores the importance of that initial training paradigm.
This configuration here minimized exposure during the 05 Zadachi.
Right, utilizing that cover was critical for mission success in that terrain.
If we look at the ballistic data from this era, the muzzle velocity is comparable to current threats.
Agreed, but the deployment strategy here prioritized mobility over heavy armor.
All right, team, focus on grid coordinates 39er Delta. This sector is critical to the HVT extraction.
All right, check the primary coupling. Ensure alignment is exact.
Confirming connection on the auxiliary unit now.
Ensure the connection is seated properly before torquing.
It's secure. Moving to the next harness.
All connections secure on my end. Module fully seated and locked. Task complete. Torque checks complete on Module 3. Ready for system activation.
Ensure all primary couplings are secure before the power-up sequence.
Lima Charlie, fasteners checked and marked.
Secure the primary coupling bolt, torque to specification.
Torquing now, specified complete.
Module 3 is green for deployment.
Gyro reading stable at 0.4.
Data input confirmed. System shows green. Ready to deploy.
Check alignment on Sector 4. Alignment confirmed. Go for torque.
Torqued and secured. Ready for deployment.
Secure the primary coupling.
Secondary latches engaged.
Alignment confirmed. Proceeding to next phase.
Target zone is sector Gamma 9er. Drop in T-minus 0600.
UAV overlay shows heavy thermal activity. Recommend alternate insertion point.
Landing zone is active. We deploy in 3 minutes. Confirmed. Moving to the staging area now. All teams, check equipment.
Lock that container down. Copy that. Securing load. Ramp clear. Ready for push time. Get those containers loaded. Move. All teams, board the vehicles now. Go, go, go. Manifest secure. Ready for deployment. Check the tires. Move. Cargo secured. Get mounted up. All teams, synchronize watches. Lights on. We roll in 2. Get those containers loaded. Double time. Truck 4 is green. Ready to roll. Final checks on the tires. Move it.
Tire pressure check complete. Fuel levels nominal. Cargo secured. Ready to roll.
Move it. Move it. Next container up. Secure that strap.
All right, steady now. Set. Confirm seated. Tools up. Starting assembly on my mark.
Torque that connection to spec.
Reading green, sir. It's secured. Final torque check on the assembly bolts. Verified and logged, Sergeant. That one's secure. Good job. Ready for the next panel?
Is that bolt seated?
Affirmative. Moving to the next one now. Move the next container up.
Clear the ramp.
Locking guidance systems. Get that pallet secured now. Check the straps on the left side.
All green. Loadmasters, ready for pushback.
All right, men, move those crates faster.
Vehicle checks complete. Over.
Platoon, attention. All teams report status.
Black Hawk Company, ready for deployment.
Move equipment to staging area 3, promptly.
Guide that pallet onto the ramp. Watch your spacing.
Clear on the left.
Locked in. Send the next one.